can you get rid of your acne? For the last time, I'm going to teach you guys how to get rid of your acne. Any kind of acne that you have, hormonal, cystic, fungal acne, you just need to listen to me and make sure you put in the work and make sure you're consistent. I'm not going to come out here to teach you guys how to get rid of your acne anymore. Yes, I am an acne prone skin girl. Acne has dealt with me. Like, who? I thank God for Jesus Christ. I thank God for skincare. So literally, let's get rid of our acne. Class in section. If you want to get rid of your acne, you need to be very mindful of whatever that comes in contact with your face, because acne, most of all, is formed by dirt. So you need to be careful with the kind of towel you use, because many of you still use the towel you use on your body or your buff to clean your face. You know you have acne. You know you have acne. Your pillowcases, you change it once in a month. Well, how can you use the same towel you use for your body, the same towel you use for your buff on your face? You know you have acne. The same towel you use to clean your legs on your face. Already, you're not serious, and that is why your acne keeps on coming back. Acne will keep on coming back because you refuse to be accountable for your face. I'm going to be teaching you how to get rid of your acne. First of all, you need to leave salicylic acid alone. Yes, salicylic acid doesn't work for everybody. Oh, whenever they hear acne, salicylic acid, salicylic acid doesn't work for everybody. Try benzoyl peroxide. Yes. So benzoyl peroxide is a stronger form that's going to help that hormonal acne, fungal acne, close commendos. Benzoyl peroxide is the it girl. Benzoyl peroxide is going to help to clear out your acne. It's something that you should have in your shelf. You must not run out of benzoyl peroxide. And whenever you put that shit on your face, make sure you leave it for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Can work its way into your skin cells, and make sure you lather it well. Second of all, skip toners. Use micellar water. This salicylic acid will not work for your acne. Yes, throw away that salicylic acid. It will not work for your acne. Throw it away. Yes, I said so. Try micellar water. Yes. So micellar water is going to use what you're going to use to first of all clean your face. It's going to be your first cleanse. Then you can use a foaming hydrating wash to double cleanse. Okay? Yes, micellar water is what you need. If you have acne, try micellar water. But as an acne prone skin girly, you should never use oil cleansers on your face. Anything that has oil, don't use it. Anything face oil cleansers is going to clog your pores. Never use it. Never. So make sure you are also taking spearmint tea. Yes. Make sure you are taking spearmint tea. So make sure you are taking spearmint tea. Yes. Make sure you take spearmint tea, because spearmint tea can also help to balance your hormone. Make sure you're taking probiotics. Yes. Probiotics is going to help to balance your hormone. Make sure you are taking zinc. Yes. Zinc as a supplement is going to help to reduce that acne. So make sure that you get a separate, that is what everybody should know. Make sure you get a separate towel that you use on your face. Make sure you're washing that towel at least twice a week. Make sure you're changing your pillowcases. Make sure you take probiotics to help your gut health, because gut health is one of the major things that actually causes us to have hormonal acne. When your gut health is poor, all those kind of things start peeking out of your skin. I used to have bad acne. I've had chest acne, I've had face acne, I've had back acne, and I know what acne can do to it can reduce your self-esteem. And that is why I'm in a good position to tell you all this thing. Make sure that you build your gut health. Many of us are suffering from all this kind of acne, back acne, chest acne, face acne. It's because of what we eat and our system. By the time you unlock the key, by the time you study whatever you're eating and build your gut health, trust me, your skin is never going to remain the same again. Trust me. Azelaic acid is another thing you should not joke with. Azelaic acid coupled with benzoyl peroxide, your acne is going to disappear. When you mix azelaic acid and benzoyl peroxide, your acne is going to disappear. You do not need salicylic acid for that acne. Salicylic acid is not going to help your acne. It's not going to help your acne. It's not going to help. It's not going to help it. Just salicylic acid will not improve your acne. You need azelaic acid plus benzoyl peroxide coupled with retinol. If your heart can carry it, if your spirit, soul, and body can include retinol, if you can get past the purging stage, my dear, your skin is going to be slick, clean, no acne, nothing on your skin. Trust me. So this is azelaic acid. This is 20%. This should be included in your everyday routine. As an oily skin girly and you don't have azelaic acid, I don't know what you're doing. If this is too harsh for you, if this is too much because this is 20%, go and get the one of lesser concentration. There's 10%, there's 15%. It also comes in serums, like 9 serums, and it is a bit mild. Thirdly, make sure you get a treatment cream. A treatment cream that has niacinamide, panthenol, and ceramide. That's in Dr. Attel barrier cream. You need it because you don't need to just pack all the active on your face without actually suiting your skin barrier. You need to make sure that you are suiting your skin barrier because all this can be very drying. It can be very, very drying and watch your acne disappear. You also need to get supplements. Yeah, if you can get zinc, you can get zinc. Get zinc supplement is very good. Make sure that you are actually healing your gut. Make sure that when it comes to acne, you need to heal your gut health first. Whatever you are taking, um, you need to eat healthy, eat a lot of carrots, drink hibiscus leaf, it helps. Drink spearmint tea, drink green tea, it helps. And you're going to see a very huge change in your acne by incorporating all the steps I've said today. And if you don't know me, I am Nurse Beauty. And I do not just teach skincare, I teach you how to boost your confidence. Bye.